Hello guys, I'm Miko, welcome back. It's not Halloween, but I was asked by a friend to paint this little guy. The main goal for this recording was to show you that even the smallest miniature you can paint with an airbrush. His height is around 2.5 centimeters. It's the half size of a Stormcast Eternal. So I hope you will enjoy it, and let's start. So let's start with this little guy. I primed him black, as you can see here, and before I go over to the regular zenithal highlight, I will paint his head with warlord purple to achieve a really nice orange effect afterwards. This is the little guy after I painted his head with warlord purple. In this step you need to figure out which side of the skull needs to be a little lighter, because the light reflection will come from his lantern. So this area here should be a little bit lighter than the other. So we will try to achieve this effect with the zenithal highlight with ink. I set it up my airbrush to a very tiny dot and will highlight the head. I will highlight the whole miniature. This is the result after the highlight. Now with yellow ink I will paint his whole head. You will see that the purple color will change into a nice orange color. This will of course smoothen the transitions. So I let this to dry at this point, and afterwards I will cover the deep shadows on his head. But let's take a look at the after effect. So after our little guy dried, this is his head. This is the effect. So to reduce the yellow areas, I will take Iyanden yellow because it's more orange than yellow. And with this color I will fix the deepest recesses. And do this for the rest of the head. After I fixed the recesses, this is the result. I will take over to his flesh right now And because he is a plant in the end, I will paint those with some green color, and I will take, of course, the advantage of the zenithal highlight that we make. Troll green is my next color, and with this color I will paint all the green parts of his body. So with orc flesh from Vallejo, I will fix the deepest recesses on the flesh. I have thinned it down a little bit with the medium, and will simply drag on the recesses to more accent his shadows. So for the next highlight I used livery green and troll green, and will apply it on the most raised areas. And do this for the rest of the miniature. And for the next highlight I will use livery green, and I will mix it with a drop of the previous mix for a better transition. This is the little guy after I placed the last highlight. And now I want to take care of his shirt and the rest of the clothes. I painted his shirt with serious purple, and now my goal is to highlight it with warlord purple. Set your airbrush to a very small dot and do a regular zenithal highlight. Okay. This is the look after I highlighted the shirt. And now I will do the edge highlight, and in addition to it I will put more highlight on the shirt. What I do want to achieve here is a glow effect inside the lantern itself, and an OSL effect on his left part of the body. So in this case it would be his upper part and the upper part of the leg. I have prepared his lantern with the airbrush, as you can see. And now I want to prepare his clothes for the OSL effect. So as you can see, guys, I achieved a really subtle filter on his clothes. The colors on his clothes should shine through the white. And the other thing that you need to remember is that light always shines in the front direction. So because the lantern is in front of his body, the upper body should be highlighted. My next color is yellow ink from Vallejo. I want to paint the lantern first. And after I finish the lantern, I will paint the body, but in this case be careful and with short triggers paint the part of the body where you highlighted it with white. So give this a minute or two to dry, and because light fades away, we will paint the edges of our OSL effect with an orange color. Griffhound orange. I have diluted this a little bit. Now my goal is to paint only on the edges. With flash gets yellow, I want to underline my OSL with edge highlight on the fabrics, on the most raised spots. This should be not more than a dot. And this is it. Our Dyniaq warrior is ready to deployment. Pics you will find in the Pic Gallery and the end of the recording. Thanks for attention. Have fun with the Pic Gallery after my speech. If you like the recording, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye!